LHS means it's a left hand side and RHS means it's a right hand side. We call this as an equation and we have to solve this equation using basic operations. So now first we take only LHS. First we take only LHS and we solve this. So first 18 into, so 7 minus of 3. See here in the first question plus and minus we have. So bracket means it's a multiplication. Instead of into sign we use bracket, right? Already you know this concept. Instead of into we use bracket. So here minus and here plus. So plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. So in the next step we have a 18 into 7 minus 3. 18 into 7 minus 3. That means in 7 we have to subtract 3. Correct? In 7 we have to subtract 3. So 18 as it is into, in 7 if we subtract 3 we will get 4. So now 18 fours are 72. Correct? Only we have done here minus into plus, minus. So I will write here. So minus into plus equals minus. Okay. So plus into minus equals minus. So now plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, plus. So here we have a plus into minus. So it's a minus. So now is it clear? First we subtracted these two. In 7 if you subtracted 3 it's a 4. 18 fours are 72. Are you understood this? Show me the thumbs up. Who are all understand? Show me the thumbs up. Yes. Danesh, okay? Yes, okay. Rahul? Yes. Kushal? Shrivasha? Preetam? Yes, very good. Chayanka? Yes. Samvardhan? Yes. So next we will move for our RHS. So first here we will simplify the signs first and then we will solve. So here 18 into 7 and plus 18 into minus of 3. So we will multiply 18 sevens are 18 sevens are we have to find out. So here I will do in the rough place 18 into 7. So 7 eights are 56, 5 carry, 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 126. Okay, so that 126 we will write here. That means when we multiply these two, we got 126. Okay, so now one Manjunath, what you have sent message? Shripavan sent message now. Okay, so 126, here plus sign we have. So I am writing plus sign as it is. And here I have 18 into minus 3. So 18 into minus 3. 18 3s are 54. But here we have a minus. So plus into minus, minus 54. Minus 54. Here 126. Again we will multiply the signs here. Plus into minus, minus 54. When we subtract these two, we will get 72. So that means LHS is equal to RHS. Understand? LHS is equal to RHS. Both the side we got 72. Both the side we got 72. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Understand? Harsha, sorry, Harsha, Tarun Kumar. Understand? Fatima, Like, Ishwan, understand? Yes, Shomitam, if you understand. Rishi, yes, Purti, yes, Yatish, yes, Ganavi, Sanidhya, Shomitam, yes. Okay, now we will move on to next sum. Okay. So next sum I will give you. You have to solve this sum and you have to tell me the answer for me. Okay. Let's try how you will do. So second sum, write down minus 21 into minus of 4 plus minus of 6 equals minus of 21 into minus 4 plus minus of 21 into minus of 6. Can you see the question? Write down. I will move the camera, write down. Minus 21 into square bracket minus 4. Write down this portion and then I will move the camera. After this, show me thumb, I will move the camera. Yes. Yes, Meghana. 2 minutes. Others have to write. Afterwards, I will move the camera. Okay. Rajat, write down. Minus 4 plus of minus 6. Minus 21 into minus of 4 plus of minus 6. Over. Everyone written? Yes. So now this after equals, here it's a equals square bracket minus 21 into minus of 4 plus, here in the middle plus, minus 21 into minus 6. So in the beginning, sum is here. Once again, check here. Second sum, minus 21 into minus of 4 plus minus of 6 equals, check your sum, it's correct or not. Everyone written question? Yes, yes, very good. Yes. Try to solve this sum and tell me the answer. Try to solve. Take only LHS first, solve it, and then RHS. Multiply carefully. First multiply the numbers and then sign. Yes. Anyone? Solve it and otherwise can I explain once again? Can I explain once again? Yes. Okay. So this is a two-part sum. One is before equals, another one is after equals. We have done two parts. Before equal one part, after equal one part. Okay. So before equal is LHS and here it's a RHS. We have to do it step by step. So first step is we have to solve LHS. First step is we have to solve LHS. I took here LHS. So now first we have a minus 21 into minus of 4. Here I will multiply these two signs, plus into minus, minus 6. Step by step we have to solve this. Okay. So 21 I have written as it is. 21 I have written as it is. This 4 is also as it is, but this minus 6 and plus I have multiplied. So plus into minus, minus 6. In the next step we got only minus 4 and minus 6. So minus 21 into here minus 4 and minus 6 is a minus 10. Both are same sign, so we will add. Both are same sign, so we will add these numbers. Okay, Gnanesh? Yes. So minus 21 into minus 10. So 1 0 as it is. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 10. So 210 and 2 minus signs. Minus into minus plus. So plus 210. So our answer is plus 210. Okay. Is it clear? Understand this now? Rahul, understand? Yes. So next we will move to RHS. Next we will move to RHS. Here also we will remove 1 brackets and we will solve the sum. Okay. So first minus 21 into minus 4 plus here minus 21 into minus 6. Okay. So 21 fours are we have to multiply. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So minus into minus plus. 4 ones are 4, 21 fours are 84. 21 fours are 84. And next plus here 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, plus into minus, minus into minus plus. So now we have to add these numbers 126 and 84. So when we add these two, 10, 1 carry, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11, here 1 plus 1, 2. So answer is 210. So LHS is equal to RHS. Both the side we got 210. So LHS is equal to RHS. See, my dear students, this is a new topic to you. Yes, Kriti, it's a new topic, but very easiest topic. Okay, just little bit you have to practice in a home. Daily, 2 or 3 sums we are solving. If you practice these 2 sums in a home today, you are perfect in that. Okay, nothing new in that. Only basic addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Okay. We are doing only addition, subtraction and multiplication. So today it is the time to wind up. If you have any doubt, please text me. Okay. So these 2 sums you have to solve as a homework. These 2 sums you have to solve as a homework. Practice 2 times. Okay. So practice 2 times and learn.